solution part. So first you need to solve what is there in the bracket, right? B plus C is there. So first B plus C equals B1 plus C1 into I cap plus B2 plus C2 J cap plus B3 plus C3 K cap. This is what B plus C. For this you need to do what? A, vector A, means cross product with vector A is equal to I J K. So for this vector A, what is I coefficient? A1, J coefficient A2, K coefficient A3. Then here what is I coefficient? What is J coefficient? B2 plus C2. What is K coefficient? B3 plus C3. Okay, now plus minus plus, now I cap. Now close this column and row I cap. So left out with what? A2, A3, B2 plus C2, B3 plus C3. Done. Okay. So I will write below minus J cap. Here I don't have space now, so that is why I am writing here. I ka here, J ka here, then J. Close this column and row. J's column and row. Tell me the elements. A1, A3, B1 plus C1, B3 plus C3. I minus J over, then K ka, right? So K into, tell me. If you close this and this, A1, A2, A1, A2, then B1 plus C1,
B2 plus C2.
exactly, B2 plus C2. This is plus K. Okay, now if you solve this, I cap into A2 into B3 plus C3, if you multiply this, so A2 into B3 is what?
A2 B3.
Correct. Then A2 into C3 is what? Plus A2 C3. Done.
Minus.
This you done. Then this minus. Okay. A3 into B2 is what?
A3 B2.
A3 B2. Then
Plus
minus.
A3
Minus. Because plus into minus is what? Minus, no? Now A3 into C2. Done. For this you done. Okay. Then this you tell me minus J it is. Yeah. A1 into B3 plus A1 into C3. Then minus A3 into B1 minus A3 into C1. Done. Then here okay, A1 into B2 plus A1 into minus A2 into minus A2 into C1. Okay, so ಈ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A2 A3 ಓಕೆ, 1 ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A2 B3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3 B2. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳೀತು, A2C3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3C2 ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ದೆನ್ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ನೋಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತ ಇದೆ A1B3 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ A3B1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಯಿತು. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತ ಇದೆ A1C3 ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತ ಇದೆ A3C1 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, A1B2 ಮೈನಸ್ A2B1, ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳಿತು, A1C2 ಮೈನಸ್ A2C1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ನೋ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ LHS ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೂ RHS ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಈ ಥರದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ I ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್, A2B3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3B2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ A2C3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3C2. ದೆನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದು, ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಜೆ A1B3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3B1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ A1C3 ಮೈನಸ್ A3C1. Here what I wrote, that only I am writing here, nothing different. Then plus k into A1B2 minus A2B1 plus A1C2 minus A2C1. Okay, this they are calling it as equation number 1. From here to here, till here to here, they are calling it as what? Equation number 1. Okay, only you did till this much, the LHS part. Now you need to do what? RHS part. Equal idre, you can say that, hence we verified that this is equal, means verified that both are equal. So now A cross B. A coefficients, you tell me. A1, next
B1, B2, B3.
Yeah, now plus minus plus is equal to I. Now you tell me A2, A3, B2, B3. See here Navratan. You tell me the elements. Yeah.
B1, B3.
Then here.
Plus K.
Yeah.
A1, A2. B1, B2.
Super. Then I cap. A2 into B3
A2, B3.
minus A3 into
A3, B3.
done. Then minus J cap. A1 into B3 minus A2 into A3 into B1 done. Then plus K cap. A1 into B2 minus A2 into
B1.
So this we will call it as equation number 2. Okay, now you have to do for what? A cross C also, no? Same I, J, K. A coefficients means what? A1, A2, A3, right? C coefficients means what? C1, C2, C3, right? So as it is, you tell me. Now first you tell me. I multiply. Yeah.
A2,
Elements.
A3, C2, C3.
Okay. Then minus J. Navratan, you tell me.
A1, A3, C3.
Okay, then you tell me of your
A1, A2, C1, C2.
okay. The next you should do what? Solving the determinant. Now you tell me A2 into C3.
A2 C3 minus
Hmm.
C2 C3.
A2 sorry A3 C2.
Yes,
A3
C2.
C2. Then minus J into tell me minus J into A1 into C3 minus A3 into C1. Then plus K into tell me of
A1, C2.
A1 C2 then minus A2 C1. Okay, so now you observe this, they will call it as what? Equation number 3. Okay, this I coefficient you observe.
Add the
I coefficient you observe. Okay, so if you add, you means A2 and A2, here these two are common now. A2, A3, sorry, A2 and A2 are common now. Means you can write that C3 plus B3, no? You can write it or not?
yes.
Then here minus A3 B2, here minus A3 C2. Here what you can take common?
A3.
Minus A3 you can take common and you can write it as what? C2 plus B2. Like that, for everything you need to take the common. Okay, then you need to see this and this one. These things, and here whatever you do now after doing addition, you should check whether these two are equal or not.